Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Happy new week to you guys. So today I will be doing a DIY water with crochet hair. So I'll be using one pack of extension. This extension is already stretched, so as you can see, I'm just going to create a loop and I will take it down the loop, and then just as you just see me doing it. So to my returning subscriber, you guys are welcome. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. So guys, turn on your post notification so that anytime I post any video, you will be the first to get notification. So I'm just going to continue to do this step, then I will come back to tell you guys what I'm going to be using to create this water wave crochet hair. Okay guys, now I'm done and crocheting the extension to the rope. Now I'm just going to comb it, going to detangle it. You can see how beautiful this hair look. So guys, now this is the one that I just did, so I'm going to show you how I did that. I will be taking like 4. You can take as many as you want, depends on how big you cut your hair. So I'm going to be taking this face rod. This is the small size, depends on the how you want your wave to be. It depends on the size of the face rod that you are going to be using. This is the smaller one, so the coils are going to be small. If you want your coils to be wide, so you are going to be using the big face rod. Hope you guys get that. As you can see, I'm just rolling it around the face rod, then I will use it to secure it just like so. is how beautiful they are looking now. So this is the last one, so I just said let me come and do this last one in case you did not follow that other one that I did, so you will have to follow this last one. So first of all, I'm going to detangle the hair to get rid of all the tangle in the hair. So then I'm going to use my fish rod just to roll the extension to the fish rod, then I will secure it. That is just it. So if we try it once you did not get it, try it again, don't give up. Yes, you don't have to give up. If you try once you did not get it, you have to try again, because when I first tried I did not get it, so I have to try and keep trying, and I will still keep trying. So guys, thank you so much for coming to watch today's video. So guys, now I'm going to put it inside hot water for the coils to form very well. So I'm just going to pour that hot water inside the hair, just like so, for the coils to form very well, because without the hot water the coils will not form very well. So the hot water is going to help the coils to form.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So guys, now I've taken it out of the hot water. Now it's time for me to unravel this water wave coil. Let's see how it looked like. So when you are unraveling it, just be careful not to scatter your coil. So be careful with this, because it's extension, so it's going to be scattered if you do not take it easy with the extension. So when you are doing this, just be calm so that you will not scatter the extension, so that you will not scatter the coils, not extension. Oh my god, so that you will not scatter the coils. So just be careful, just like so. If you want to separate it or so, you can put some oil on your hand, so to kind of help you to separate it if you want to. So I'm just being careful not to scatter it, just try to unravel it before I will go in to separate it. So as you can see, I'm just trying. It's not easy, but I'm trying to be careful. So I've already removed all the face rods, so now I'm just going to be separating them, just as you can see me doing. Just be careful when you are doing this step. So look at how beautiful that look. So here is your water wave coil. Like I said before, depends on the fish rod you use, that is how wide the coil is going to be. So since I used the smaller one, so that is why this coil is small, it's not that wide. So I just like it the way it is. So if you want to see me installing this water wave, then you have to subscribe, because that video is going to be coming very soon. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use it on my hair as a crochet, water wave crochet. So I'm going to be using it as a water wave crochet. So when you want to separate it, just be careful not to mess it up. So this is our water wave. Thank you so much for watching. So give me thumbs up if you like this video. You can share with your friends. So, and I will see you all in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Bye bye and stay safe.